This video tutorial I will explain Netflix system design. Here you can see key components of Netflix system design: user interface, internet, load balancer, microservices, databases, content delivery network, and user's device. The first component is user interface. We can think of user interface as the library entrance where you browse the books. For Netflix, this is the app or website where you choose movies or shows. Next component is internet. Internet is like the road that connects you to the library. You use this road to get Netflix collection from your device. Next component is load balancer. Inside the library, there is a person at the front desk who directs visitors to different sections to prevent any one section from getting too crowded. This is what a load balancer does for Netflix, making sure no server get overwhelmed with too many requests at once. Next component is microservices. Instead of one giant system, Netflix is made up of many smaller services. Each service is responsible for specific task. For example, one service might handle logging you in, another service might suggest movies, and another service might play the video. It is like having different sections in the library for different genres of books. Next component is databases. This is where all the information is stored, like a big filing cabinet in the library. It keeps track of your account details, what you have watched, and what movies or shows are available. Next component is Content Delivery Network or CDN. Imagine the library having multiple branches closer to your home, so you don't have to travel far. Similarly, Netflix uses CDNs to store copies of popular movies and popular shows in many locations around the world. So when you press play, the video loads quickly. Now we will see how it all works together. You open a Netflix on your device. Your device connects to the internet. Netflix load balancer decides which server or service should handle your request. The microservices work together to show you movies, keep track of what you watch, and stream the video to you. The databases provide all the necessary information like movie details and your viewing history. The CDN delivers the video content from the location closest to you, making sure it plays smoothly without buffering. In short, Netflix is like a well organized library with different sections, each handling specific tasks to give you seamless experience of watching movies and shows. The design ensures everything works efficiently even when millions of people are watching at the same time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.